pigs here. I've never been here before. I've wanted to go here for a long time. I know I say that about most places, but I really have. But I'm surprised at how rural this bit is. I'm actually quite impressed for London. It was literally a 2-minute walk from that cross harbour Asda that I just went to. I just spoke to somebody leading a group of, I don't know, schools? A school? I don't know. They said they saw rabbits, but they didn't see guinea pigs. But they weren't actively looking for guinea pigs, so you never know. I've seen online before that they do have guinea pigs. So I'm gonna walk down here. I can see some nice little sheepies. It's really weird, I can see like London buildings here in the background, and then like sheep and like nature trail. So it's quite a weird place. Really eye-opening to how diverse London can be in terms of green space and space that isn't so green. Like concrete jungle stuff that I'm used to seeing with London. So yeah, I think this place is free as well, which is good. Good for the bank balance. Cool. Can you hear them go bang? Oh, it's doing a wee. It's having a wee. Hello. Ah, you come to see me. Hi. How are you? I don't think I should touch you. Let me say hello. 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 Say hello. Hello. Okay, bye then. Look at the colours. Lovely colours. A little chicken coop. It's all just birds down here. Birds, birds, birds. More birds. More birds digging. Are you digging? Hello, llama. Hello. Say hello to me. Don't run away. Hello, llama. Why the drama, llama? Llama. Another llama. Well, I found a pig. I didn't find a guinea pig so far, but I found a pig. His eyes aren't very open. Open your eyes, pig. Pig, pig. Pig, pig. I suppose there's that many flies around it, that's probably why it's struggling. there's more down there. What is that? Piglets. Yeah, I can see pigs and piglets. And another pig down there. Quite a few. Gosh, there are a few. Pig, pig. Pig, pig. Pig. Oh, how cute. Oh. Big one down there.